Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today, I'd like to show you how to get testimonials to appear on your KW agent or your KW team site. It is a two-step process. First, the testimonial has to be added to your KW site. You, as the agent, can either do that manually, and I'll walk you through how to do that. Maybe you got the review actually on a third-party site like realtor.com, and now you want to add it to your KW site. I'll show you how to do that. Or a consumer actually entered the review on your website. I'll show you how to do that as well. Once that testimonial has been entered, you, the agent, then needs to publish it. That's the second step. So we will walk through each one of these today. As you can see, we're already in command. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, we'll go to the websites tab. Now, let me first show you where a consumer can actually enter a testimonial on your site. You can come down here at the bottom and choose the box with an arrow shooting out of it. It will take you to your KW site. And usually, as long as you don't have a custom navigation, under the More tab, you can come down and see a Leave a Review page. When you go to that page, this is where a consumer would come and enter in their review themselves on your KW agent or team site. That's the first step. If the consumer hasn't done that, you've actually gotten the review, maybe again, like on the third party site, and you now need to add it to your site manually. Let me show you how to do that as an agent. So we'll come back to our first tab. We're still in command. We're under the websites tab, and we can actually go into expert mode to do that. So click manage website, expert mode in the top right. And again, what we're talking about is you, the agent, manually adding a testimonial into your KW site, the step one to actually getting it to show. Click search at the top. And just by putting your cursor in that field, you'll notice your page changes. And what you're looking for is over on the left, any content type field. Choose that and then choose testimonial from the dropdown. This will allow you to see the testimonials that have already been entered on your site. To add a manual one, come down to the bottom right here for create and click new. This will open up this field and allow you to now enter that testimonial. So you'll choose your star rating. Hopefully it's 5. You'll enter your testimonial. You'll enter the client's name, last name. You can enter how long they've been a client if it's applicable. And if you know the city, well, you should know the city and state, city, state, and zip code, country, if you'd like. If they recommended you, you can toggle it on. And from there, you would come up to the top right-hand corner and click Publish. And it gave us an error. Let's go back down to choose how long they've been a client. It did say NA, but apparently the field is still required at this point, and click Publish again. Now we get the banner of success at the top saying that that has been published. Okay. Now that it's been published, we actually do need to return to dashboard. And it should bring you right back here, which is the view from expert mode. So again, we just went over step one. Either the consumer adds a testimonial into your KW agent or team site, or you, the agent, manually enters a testimonial into the expert mode here in command for your website. Once that is done, that second step needs to push it through and publish the testimonial onto your site so that it's viewable. So let's go into actually how to do that. So for that particular part, you would come over to your home page. There we go. And on your home page, you should have a testimonials module right here. So click it to open it. And as you scroll down, taking it just a second there, there we go. So now you have some options on which ones to display. You can choose dynamic or basic. Basic means you manually choose which ones show. Dynamic means that it will actually show a specific type and number of testimonials that have been entered. So you can choose by the newest or oldest published date and include up to 20 that you want, and even choose to filter them by a certain way or certain filter that you would like. We'll just choose by stars. We don't want it to show if it's less than 3 stars. Okay. Now, this should make the reviews show on your page. As you can see here, anyone can come here and start flipping through the testimonials. It is having a little bit of a hard time tonight, guys. Our little preview over here is too large. But this is actually just showing you a preview that it is here. That was our brand new one that you can already see. There it is. It's starting to refresh. So you can see these testimonials will auto-populate and come through on your site. So as long as it's set to dynamic, you shouldn't have to come and maintenance this. Just set it and be done, and it will auto-populate and filter through those. But if there is one in particular that you do want to show specifically, you can always manually add that testimonial here. And this is just publishing the ones that already exist, the 2 that we saw previously, and the best buyer one that we added. And you can just make sure that those are essentially pinned to the testimonial section there. Once you're done, click publish on the top right. And that's how you get your testimonials to show on your homepage. We're getting an error for a different module there, so you can actually ignore it. If you ever do get this, guys, that shows up in the red error, it just means one of the other modules that it has a little exclamation point beside is having a little bit of a hard time tonight. So we're actually going to leave that alone for now and click publish again, and hopefully it's resolved. Or you can just remove the whole thing and click publish to get it to go through. There we go. All right, it's published. So now when you go to your site, you should see your testimonials display there. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything to do with your KW platforms, please reach out to us via email. We'll be happy to help. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.